What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. Today, we're over at Aerodrome. I had such good turnout last Aerodrome video. If this is something you want me to do on a daily basis, make sure you smash that like button and let me know that you like the Aerodrome video. So we're down 7% today. A lot of coins are down, that 6-7% today. So perfectly normal for Aerodrome. I think we were talking about running into that downtrend resistance area last video. I don't quite remember, but I believe that's what we were talking about, and that's what we're kind of go over today. We're down 7% at 66 cents, $391 million market cap with 586 million coins in circulation out of infinite. All-time high was 5 months ago. All-time low was 10. Aerodrome's available on quite a few exchanges. Obviously, its own Aerodrome, Swap, you have Coinbase, you have XT, you have BingX, Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, and 8 other pages down here. So if you want this coin, you can probably find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on AERO. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into AERO. This is what we were talking about last video, that downtrend resistance area that's been in place since April of 2024. And we did smack right into it about yesterday. We smacked into it quite a few times actually before we actually fell down. So we're currently seeing a slight retracement here on Aerodrome. I don't think that we are to be breaking below the 618 at 62. That's the absolute worst case scenario. Not financial advice, but I would just put a buy-in order at 62 cents. And if we hit it, that'd actually be a possibly really good entry for Aerodrome, because you can see going all the way back to March 2024, that was a great entry there. Obviously you wicked below it here for 8 hours, then you went right back above it, and we've just been holding support around that 62 cents range. So I don't see any reason why we would break below that 618. There is the chance of going down there one more time. Now, what I mean by that is we are making larger engulfing candles on the bearish side of the MACD right here with a larger red candle. The RSI is starting to see a retracement after being overbought. We flashed red saying, hey, dummy, it might be a good time to take some profit before we start seeing a retracement, right? And that's exactly what happened. Another thing you want to focus on is the uptrend. So this uptrend right here on the RSI, we're not even at it yet, which does lead me to believe that we might see a little bit more downwards volatility for Aerodrome. Same thing with the WTX. The WTX did, yeah, I think it did. Yeah, the WTX did break. Yeah, it did break its uptrend support as well. So for Aerodrome, I do think there is that chance of us touching 62 cents one more time. It's only going to take place if we break below this support area that we have been experiencing since August of 2024. You can see that was a pretty heavy resistance area right there until we broke it up August 22nd at about 66, where we're currently at. But I think with the way that the market's going, there's really not a lot going on right now. And the way that the indicators and everything are looking on the 4-hour chart, there is that possibility of heading back down here to 62 cents. Long behold, when in doubt, zoom out, right? So if we just go to the day chart and forget about that short-term 4-hour time frame, this is a very, very bullish pattern right here. This is called a bull flag or a continuation pattern. You run up to the bull flag, you can consolidate within this pennant, and then you continue to the upside. So eventually, once we break out of this downtrend, we should see some extreme volatility to the upside, or more bullish momentum than bearish. So what we're currently going to be looking for right here is, in my personal opinion, possibly another 62 cents Aerodrome. And then once we get there, we'll reassess the situation. I know I had a lot of people tune into the last Aerodrome video. Overall, when in doubt, if this is a long-term hold, not financial advice, the chart looks really, really solid. But if you're a swing trader right now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, swing trader right now, it does look like in the short term we are heading back down to around 62, and then we'll reassess the situation at that time. So with that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.